What is up, boys? It's your boy Viction here today with a brand new video, and today, if you're wondering why I'm wearing the wingman suit, is because they just released a new game mode called Air Royale. Now, it is duos, however, Loubow is not online today, so we're going to be playing no-fill duos. Also, something that I noticed while editing my last video, I completely forgot to mention or finish a sentence that I said I would. I forgot to completely say is that about, what's it called? Mini tree stumps. Is that when I see mini tree stumps, anytime I'm ever fighting, I'll always think it's a person. I know that sounds very stupid, but it's a thing about me that you guys should know. Now, something else that I heard is that apparently something changed about Loot Lake with those diggers that I said in my last video, correct? Oh, so we started playing. Okay. Okay, something definitely changed about Loot Lake. Okay, well, I'm just gonna find it out. I hope you guys have fun watching me. These things are terrible to aim with. There you go, now I'm getting shot. Okay! I get it! I got the message! Leave me alone! There I go! Oh my god! What did they have for? Gosh, this guy just came out of nowhere. Uncle Bull. I should have won. I should have won. Man, it's so hard without a door partner because then they can shoot. I mean, as you saw just in the last game, I had to what's it called? In the last game, I had to swap to my passenger seat just to shoot my minigun, and then they actually got me the dub. So, oh my god! Are you kidding me? I've already just started! Oh my god! Shoot! What are you doing? But I'm holding the trigger down! Are you kidding me? It's right! Nah, I can't. I'm done! I'm so done! Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm never playing Air Royale again. Nah, sorry. I know it's for the sake of the video, but I cannot put up with that. You know what? No, even this wingman reminds me of it. There you go, much better. We're just gonna be playing classic solos and landing Loot Lake and taking a look at this thing. Because as we saw last time, there were diggers all around the edges. So I'm very curious to see what's happening there and what they dug up. It kind of looks similar to the little dig site that we saw. As we can see now where I placed my marker, they've dug up what on the map it looks like a UFO. Or like underneath or top of one. Infantry rifle, nice. Anyways, What I meant to say was that it's got a similar style to Dusty Divot when the meteor happened. Because like as you can see, it's that same logo. It basically looks like V-Bucks, or like a V-Buck. So what I'm guessing is it's Epic Games, or company they invented. It's a long shot, but we'll go for it. So what I can already see from now, oh, there's still some people over there. Yeah, it has a similar setup to Dusty Divot, or the trucks, or the secret facilities built around it. So it looks like they don't know what this is either. Oh, yikers. Moved last second. Pop this. There's somebody right below me. And for some reason... Okay, I tried. You know, I don't have a shotgun. One thing I need to survive, it will always be a shotgun. I swear. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just texted Loubow, aka Loubow YouTube. His channel will be in the link in the description. Will be joining me for the Air Royale duos. I know I said I want to play it again, but I want to give it one more shot with him. So we're just gonna play some quick solos until he comes online, and then we'll continue the video on from there. Okay, so for every single solo that we're gonna play, we are going to land Loubow because I want to figure this thing out. I'm pretty sure you guys want to do this, so you're in for the journey. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll talk to you all in a second.